The Aboriginal Student Placement Program focuses on hiring students internally on campus.
At the moment I'm working as a scholarship assistant. I'm just working in the holidays. That allows me to focus on my studies throughout the semester.
When I first began working here, I was working as a receptionist at the Centre for Aboriginal Studies, and right now I'm working at People and Culture, just as an admin assistant as well.
I'm doing a little bit of the administration work. We're doing a mail out for prospective students for next year. Some data entry, some filing, archiving.
You don't really get that sort of experience like just as a student, but working here as well, you get to see like behind the scenes of what's going on around here. I really like that side.
Being able to put that theory that I learned in the classroom into practice in like a real world experience.
It's just really convenient working on campus and then being able to go to class as well.
Yeah, earning money. It's me supporting myself while I'm studying.
So we also run resume workshops and leadership workshops throughout the semester, as well as different networking events that students can attend to help with their personal and professional development.
Yes, I did one of the resume workshops, which is really, really valuable. I'd only ever had one job my whole life, so I've never really had a resume before. The resume workshop was really good in terms of being able to build that resume from scratch and see what employers want and what they're after and how to highlight my attributes.
A lot of people here have helped me develop those interpersonal skills that you don't really get working elsewhere. And it's probably helped the way I've thought about the workplace and especially like what I'm studying and what I want to do once I do graduate.
I can really recommend the Aboriginal Student Placement Program because it's flexible, allows me to work around my study and also allows me to earn some extra income during that time. And I think it would be really valuable to have on my resume to sort of help with future job prospects.
I love working here, and since I have started working here, it's definitely given me a lot more confidence in not only the workplace, but just like who I am as a person.
Students can get involved by either going through UniHub or they can email Indigenous recruitment@curtin.edu.au, and then I'll send them all the information of how to get involved.